If you need to upgrade or replace the hard drive in your Xbox One X, look no further, because today I'm going to show you how to do it. For this repair, you're going to need a Torx T8, a Torx T10, tweezers, a spudger, and you'll be unscrewing a lot of screws, so we recommend using a magnetic mat so you can map out where all the screws go. We haven't personally experienced this, but some people consider adding an SSD to be a warranty-voiding modification and could potentially get you banned from Xbox services. So to be honest, replacing the hard drive in your Xbox does require a bit of hacking. The Xbox One X's hard drive is formatted in a way that requires certain tools to get it up and running again, and because of software updates to the Xbox, this process might change, so we're not going to outline it for you in this video today, but you can check out the description for some instructions that worked for us. To get started, grab your Torx bit and start by unscrewing the screw on the back near the power cord port. Next, grab your tweezers and remove the sticker that's hiding the second screw holding the upper case in place. And once those are out, you can remove the top plastic by sliding the upper case forward and then lifting up. There are two boards attached to the outside case, one on the side and one on the front. Both are held in place by 3 T8 Torx screws. The board on the front has a small cable that needs to be disconnected before pulling it forward and out of its socket. Then start removing the 6 case screws and 2 cable bracket screws from the metal frame. Use your spudger to lift the small metal bracket attached to the cable. Free your hands of tools so you can flip the Xbox over with the bottom facing you. Then lift to remove the plastic cover and remove the 2 remaining screws holding the metal case together. Now you can lift the metal case up and off. Flip the Xbox over and remove the 4 screws securing the 1 terabyte Seagate hard drive in place. Flip back over to the other side and lift the optical drive out of the way. Now you can see the 2 cables connecting the hard drive to the motherboard. Disconnect them and remove the hard drive. The hard drive has a bracket that can be removed by unscrewing 4 screws. With those out, the bracket comes off and you can disconnect the SATA connector from your hard drive. That's all for this repair. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you have the latest repair videos in your back pocket for your next fix. And I take apart some cool stuff every week, so follow me on Twitter @KelseyFixes. I'll see you there.